What you're looking at is not just an old SUV. This is a forgotten luxury giant, abandoned by today. We bring this Toyota Sequoia back to life. What you're looking at is not just a luxury giant. This is a forgotten Toyota Sequoia brought back to life. Every machine deserves a second chance. This luxury SUV has seen years of neglect, but the restoration begins now. Washes away, revealing its hidden power. Years of neglect have taken their toll. The restoration begins. The pressure washer blasts away the grime, revealing the clean metal underneath. Years of neglect have taken their toll. The restoration begins. The pressure washer blasts away the grime, revealing the clean metal underneath. This luxury SUV has seen years of neglect, but the restoration begins now. Washes away, revealing its hidden power. Today, we have a very special project, a public bus that has seen better days. Rusted, damaged, about to get trust memory. Today, we have a very special project, a public bus that has seen better days. Rusted, damaged, and full of memories. The first step in any restoration is stripping the old layers. Every steep, a rusted panel must be removed. This is where the transformation begins. Rust is the enemy of every vehicle. Our team works tirelessly to remove rust, weld damaged areas, and prepare the body for a flawless finish. A strong engine is the heart of this bus. We're overhauling the engine, repairing the brakes, and with fresh colors and smooth coats, this bus is beginning to shine again. From dull and rusty to vibrant and ready for the road. The interior gets a complete makeover too. Comfortable seats, clean floors, and sparkling windows. The inside now matches the bus's stunning exterior. Modern upgrades make this bus more comfortable and efficient. Lights, fans, and even digital meters ensure a smooth ride for passengers. Every system is checked to ensure from test drive to ensure the bus is not just beautiful, but fully functional. This bus is ready to hit the roads again. Witness the magic of restoration, where passion meets precision.